Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks much on subscribing to my channel and continuously watching and sharing with your network. So in our series of releasing the introduction videos of different series as we done before. So today we talk about the introduction video about the Know Your Consumer series. So know your consumer is a very important aspect for any company. If they want to grow their business, the consumer is a part and parcel of the business. So no company can survive disconnecting from the consumers. So that is why the consumer we call big C is a very prominent part of any business. So the company needs to focus on consumer and reach out to consumer and offer value, motivate them, come back for more. So the entire aspect of the consumer, the company needs to focus. So in this series, you will know all these aspects starting from know your consumer and who are the consumers and the difference between consumer and customer and how you have to focus on consumer instead of customer. So those kind of an aspect. So when you want to watch this video, you can start with the video starting with the Know Your Consumer video, which talks about the different aspects of consumer and customer and how the consumer will go for buying a product. So once you watch this video, then you move on to the next video of Know Your Consumer Psyche. So the psyche is very important because how a consumer reacts to buying a product. So there are different aspects which we discuss in this consumer psyche. The consumers is not a robot. They are human beings filled with flesh and blood and feelings, perceptions. So those aspects, how it influences the consumers. So these are all very important. And once you know your consumer psyche, then you go for a consumer involvement, where we talked about how a consumer involved in buying a product by giving very unique and the novel thoughts about how a consumer behaves when they're going for buying a product or services depends on involvement and investment. So it is very one of the very interesting video and it's a must watch video. So after you learn from consumer involvement, then you know go for a consumer behavior. So here the consumer behavior talks about the different types of behavior, uh, focusing on the consumer buying behavior, loyalty behavior, and switching behavior. So this is the entire the life cycle the consumer will go through in any product or services. They will just get into a company product or a service or a brand. They start buying the product, then they keep on going for the same product, right? The service or a brand, and finally they will go for a switching. So here we know what are the aspects and factors which influence consumer to exercise such behavior. It talks about the emotional and rational aspects, how a consumer will make a decision, which consumer you need to focus more to grow your business. The next one we talk about the consumer buying process, which is another very important video where we discussed about the paths of model, the new model which is derived from an AIDA model. It's a wholesome model. You can see that how a consumer will go through the entire buying process and what motivates consumers to buy a product or services. So this is a real eye opener for many companies to know how a consumer will go through the buying process. And final video under this series is know your consumer loyalty and what are the enablers which influence consumer to be loyal to a particular product, service, or brand or a company. There are three aspects we discussed here, starting with the quality and the value, and finally the trust. So these are all the must-watch videos you can focus on and watch. And as I normally iterate and again saying, these videos are more practical in nature and focusing on those who want to do a better business and those who want to commence business and those who want to implement the marketing aspects in their business. So we all know none of the companies will survive without any marketing, be it a micro business or a mega business. So marketing is a part and parcel of any business because marketing is a part of any strategy the company involves in, because marketing is the driving force for the company to reach sales, and finally that is what very important for a company. So the sales, the profit, the growth. So these are all the cycles which normally enable the company to survive, achieve a continuous growth. So once again, thanks much on continuously watching my videos. And in this, I released all my introduction series videos, and I am also creating playlists in my YouTube channel. So once you just go into my YouTube channel, type my name Shaktivel, Sakkthivell, then you will find all the playlist, whichever the playlist you like to watch. So you can watch the group of videos under that. And if you want to know more about me, you go to Google and type my name again, Sakkthivell. So you know all my information. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos. And please subscribe for instant alerts, and please share with your network and get benefit out of it. Once again, thank you very much.